Are we in Disneyland? Because what is this?
One, two, three, funky.
Today is the day we are going to IKEA. This is so exciting for me because I don't think I've ever been to like a big IKEA. Once when I was really small, so I've never had like the full journey and everything, and I'm just like really excited because I actually want to get stuff and I can't wait. I've got some stuff in mind that I do want to get, and also today the floating shelves that I ordered are also being delivered, so I'm going to put them up over here, and they're kind of like a charcoal color, and to not damage the walls I've also ordered these hooks that come with it, but I don't think they're coming today, so I can't put them up. I can't. It's all coming together. I hope the charcoal goes with the room because I'm trying to make it as bright and light as possible. So from IKEA, I want to get this shelving unit, and I'm really stuck between white or black. I really like the idea of like having black because it just looks so like modern, but I feel like to make my room look brighter, I do much black furniture. I've got a lot of like black decorations, but everything is mostly like white. So I think I may go for the white one and put black decorations on it. I hope I don't regret this because it's like it's a bit far away and I don't want to go and change it. So let's see. Hopefully it looks good. Let's go to IKEA, guys. So the thing I wanted is out of stock. I'm so upset. Because of the truck driver shortage right now, there's not many things in stock. So I'm going to see what I can get and maybe leave it for later. Look how cool this is. Hello? Hi! Do you want to come in? Ooh, okay, I'm coming. So we made a quick stop over to Dunelm because I had pre-ordered some things that I'd found online at a discount before we went to IKEA. This is the mirror, guys, that I got. So just for reference, guys, this is the 50cm mirror with the black border, and the above is the 80cm. A little bit bigger, actually much bigger. I was gonna get this massive one, but thank God I didn't. It was such a bargain. It was like £22. This one was 15, so it's pretty decent. Happy with that? Yeah. This is 22. Bargain. I wanted a stool, and look, they're only like £7, but I'm stuck between the colours. I'm leaning towards the black. Of course I was leaning towards the black. Surprise, surprise, I ended up getting the black one. I'll show you how it looks like on my dressing table. Very princess vibes. But yeah, most of the stuff I have is black now. What do you think? We made it! My first time at the massive IKEA. We did get lost, yes. I'm gonna go get some food because it's so cheap and it's obligatory on our my first IKEA trip. We'll see what to get, but it is so cheap, might as well just get everything. Well, actually I can't even eat half the stuff. I love it. I love it so far. They're comfy. I like these. So far, just one plant. I don't like them. They're a bit weird.
Did you hear him yawning already? He clearly isn't as excited as me.
Nope, don't like that either. It's too like petally, you know? Yes, go on.
I don't think my boyfriend is okay. There. Get well soon, buddy.
For that one-handed strumming. Without these things, this is the unit I'm looking at that I want to get, but it's not in stock for some reason. Do you think we can, if we write it on paper? they'll get it.
No, you just go downstairs and check it.
Nice. I like it. Yeah, I like it. In black or white though? See, the white doesn't look cheap. This I want for a candle. Very big candle.
They're for birds.
No, but for a tiny one, like a tiny lantern. For like,
Yeah, but then birds will fly in and then they'll burn.
So far, guys, it's been a bit of a walk and we're still only on section 7. We have a box, my white stand, cereal containers, candlestick holder with tea light holder, it's 2 in 1, and a hanging plant. Ooh, and a little vase, and a chocolate.
We're doing good.
Guys, this place is a dream. Honestly, look how magical it is. I can't get over it. Why have I not been here before? So exhausted. God, are we in Disneyland? Because what is this? This is so cool. Why am I so fascinated at 24 years old? I can see loads of glass bottles, which I'm tempted by. I think I've got a majority of what I need. Don't want to overspend.
Exhausted. This is longer than the Mount Snowdon trek, isn't it?
I'm literally dragging him along. We're literally only halfway. Oh man, how are we gonna do this? Alright, so I'm hanging a plant for my shelf that I got. Vanilla candle for my new shelving unit, which is out of stock. 50p please, because why not? Bath mat, grey colour, because need it in the main bathroom. Outdoor lantern, because cute vibes at night. A little cute vase. I'll show everything that I got, and I did another online order as well, got some furniture, and I'll show everything in another whole video. But yeah, I think that was enough for the day. It took 6 hours counting travel time. I don't think I did any unnecessary purchases today. That is guys, I got such cool stuff, and my Amazon parcel came today as well. They've got like my shelves and milk frother and stuff in there. Not gonna lie, I spent like 4 hours in IKEA and didn't even get what I wanted because it was out of stock. It was like a massive storage unit, but it's okay. I want to show all of this. It's really exciting. I'm gonna like put this outside and fill my like cereals in this, hang this on the shelf. My desk has arrived. It is super heavy. Delivery guy literally could not even get it into the flat. It's that heavy. I don't know how I'm gonna manage. So I'm basically gonna wait till my parents and my brother get home. They're gonna bring some hammers and screwdrivers and things to help me put it up. My chair has also arrived. Look how comfy it looks. It's like proper padded. I wanted the ones with the handles because I've always had a very basic chair without them. I literally drown in this because I look so small in it. I'm so like short. I'm literally like 5'2". But I feel like a mega important person. I just hope it fits underneath the desk. I'm gonna go set this up today, and hopefully I don't have to return it. Fingers crossed, guys. It's all gonna come along so nicely, guys. I will see you guys soon.